Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the earbuds and phone to avoid interruptions. First, make sure the WF-1000XM4 and the case have roughly 50% or more battery. Low power can block a reset. Once charged, remove both earbuds from your device's Bluetooth list so no automatic reconnection occurs. This clears pairing conflicts. Then place both earbuds in the charging case with the lid open. This readies them for the physical touch sequence required for the only reliable reset method. Now you perform the reset touch sequence that actually clears internal settings. With the case lid open, press and hold the touch surfaces on both earbuds simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This forces a factory reset rather than just unpairing. You'll see the LEDs change, typically an orange flash followed by white, so keep holding until the pattern shifts to alternating flashes, which indicates the internal memory has been erased. Once you release, the earbuds have reset their pairing and system settings. After releasing, close the case for 10 seconds and then reopen to let the earbuds enter fresh pairing mode. On your device, scan Bluetooth and select the WF-1000XM4 entry. Complete pairing for both left and right earbuds so audio and controls sync. If you still can't pair, make sure to restart your phone or tablet. This clears cached Bluetooth states, then repeat the full reset sequence. That single troubleshooting step fixes most lingering connection issues without altering the earbud's hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.